Hey Jennifer, this is Cisco. We spoke earlier this morning. As promised, here's this website audit. I just giving you some tips and tricks as far as what you can be doing to one, outbeat your competition and just get more of a digital presence and being ranked higher on those Google searches. So I'm gonna dive right into it, Jennifer. So right away, what I'm looking at when it comes to any given website is I'm looking at context. Okay, I'm looking at how many words you currently have. You need to have at least 1,500 and 2,000 words of content to be optimized with Google, and you want to have keywords. Okay, what I mean about keywords is a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. For example, AC service in Crestview, Florida. So this is a good one. Those are keywords. Okay, these are buyer intent keywords. AC repair in Crestview. Okay, so great job on doing that. And just looking over your website, it's a good looking website for sure. I mean, this right here, you probably want to optimize this. It's just, it's a lot. And then another thing that I noticed is that you service a lot of different areas, so which is great. One of the things to consider is, are you ranking on these specific areas? Okay, and now I'm going to dive into this tab here. So this is a tool called Ahrefs. This helps me understand how well your website's performing. So I'm going to jump right over to this section. So this section here, this is your strength or your authority score. You are currently being ranked at 3. You're being indexed at 3. And then this is your trust flow, and you're being indexed at 4.3. So some of the things that affect these type of scores is your backlinks. And currently right now you have 245 backlinks with 63 referring domains. Now a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking back to another, be it clickable or hyperlink text. Now these links, they act like an endorsement for your website, okay? And it basically builds trust with Google. Therefore, Google is going to vouch for you even more. Now, something to consider is that not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks or links within your industry. So if you were to get, for example, a backlink from Pizza Hut linking back to your site, it could actually hinder your scores. Okay, and this is what impacts your overall strength and your trust flow. Now let's look at your organic keywords. Okay, so looking at your organic keywords, what are you currently being ranked for? And what I'm looking for is buyer intent keywords like AC repair, Crestview, Florida. The volume, what this means is the approximate of people that are searching for that on Google every single month. We got air conditioning repair, Crestview. These are good words to be ranking for, so great job. Continue ranking for this. You see air conditioning repair, so air conditioning repair for Walton Beach. 100 people search for this every single month. So let's just take this keyword and let's just see how well your competitors are doing. So I pulled up one air conditioning. The reason why is because they're being ranked as number 2. And look, Fort Walton Beach heating repair. So once again, I'm looking for content. I'm looking for keywords. And these guys do have some keywords on their webpage. But now, let's see how well they're performing. Their score here for their strength is 11. And look at their trust, 64. And one of the things that impacts the score is how big their website is. They must have a ton of back pages, which is helping with their trust flow. And then look, if you notice, they have no backlinks or referring domains on the specific page, but it's strong though because of all the other pages that they currently have. And that is just one factor of many. Now let's look at their organic keywords. What are they currently being ranked for? Okay, so Fort Walton Beach AC repair, and look, air conditioning repair Fort Walton. Let's just take this because there's approximately 100 people search for this on Google every single month. So let's just type this into Google and see what we find, okay? So air conditioning repair Fort Walton Beach. So let's take it section by section. And right away what I'm looking at, Jennifer, is the Google guarantee section. So this is the Google ads. So these are folks that are paying to be on here, but hey, they're on the front page of Google. They're right on top. So when folks are scrolling here, they're going to call. Yes, they're going to get charged, but they're getting that organic leads, those qualified customers that want service. Why? Because they right away know they have a repair that they got to make on their AC unit. Now, this is the second section. This is my favorite. This is the Google My Business page. The reason why is because organically 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. So this is huge. Some of the things that's gonna help rank higher is getting more reviews, replying to those reviews, at the same time optimizing your content, optimizing your photos. Those things make a difference, and then updating your customers as to what changes are being made within your company. Okay, and just sending out updates on your Google My Business page. The last thing I want to go over is the organic listings, okay, which are these guys here. So these are folks that are just organically being ranked on Google. We have Angie's List, and then we got 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. We got, which is, I believe, you guys. So you guys are doing a great job, so continue with that. Look, oh no, sorry, I apologize. You're Gordon. These are Murphy's Home Services. Okay, so look, we got Murphy's Home Services, we got Yelp, and we got the Pettis Business Bureau. But this is what Google is ranking them organically. Okay, and if we go back here, look, they're being ranked number 4, but they're actually being ranked number 2. So even better for this company. Now, these are just some of the tips and tricks that I would like to show you, Jennifer. If you can just email me back with your thoughts, if you have any questions, and if you want to know more about and how you can make these changes and increase your digital real estate and just dominate your digital real estate online, I can definitely help you with that. Okay. Otherwise, like I said, no strings attached. We'll love your feedback overall, and just get your thoughts as to what you thought on how this video was able to help you guys out. Anyhow, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.